Okay, on some of these plumbing repairs that we do in tight spots like this one, sometimes it looks like maybe you can't do it, because how are you going to fit something that's bigger than the size of the, you need to have the part of the plumbing that goes inside, and then it's like, how are you going to get it in there, right? So in this particular situation, you can see that there's a union right there, and then if you follow this arm down here, you see another union right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to swing this arm up, because now it's cut here, and then we lift it, put the check valve in there, and then sit it back down. So just consider your options when you do that. If I didn't have a union over there and this was hard, like hard plumbed, I guess you could say, it wasn't as movable, I would probably cut here so that I could remove this and then move this up and down and put a coupling here. So just consider all the things that you're working with, so that you can do the job as efficiently as possible. Hope that helps.